Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can install plugins in GIMP. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, you want to make sure that you've already got your plugin. Most of the time they're on the .py file extension, and basically they're a script. Right after, let's then head over to the RUN on our Windows, tap App Data, and then click on OK. From here, you want to select roaming. Go ahead and search for GIMP, open it up, click on the version, and basically inside this page, you will be able to see the plugins option. Now, in my case, as of the moment, it's empty because I don't have any plugins installed. So what you can do is to just drag your plugins onto this specific folder. Right after, you then want to restart your GIMP, open it back up, and from there, the plugins will then be installed. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.